Welcome to my channel Futureguide Rishikesh. Namaskar, RCM friends. Welcome again to my channel Futureguide Rishikesh. I am Dr. Rishikesh Debnath from Kolkata. Today I am very excited because I am going to share a video on updated RCM marketing plan. The very exciting upgraded marketing plan that was introduced by respected T.C.Chhabra ji on 25th of this month, and that will be effective from 1st May 2023. Now, there are so many questions about the new marketing plan, about the benefit of new marketing plan in comparison to old one. Therefore, actually in real sense, this upgraded RCM marketing plan is the most powerful and consistency growth plan that was introduced after 23 years of RCM business. Very many thanks to respected T.C.Chhabra ji for introduction of such benefited marketing plan for all types of buyers, especially regular buyers. I am also excited because this video will be available in another two versions, Hindi and Bengali, and the video links are given in the description box. And through this video I am trying to my best to share about the benefits of upgraded marketing plans with sufficient examples and calculations. Therefore friends, please stay tuned with this video until the end. Let's come to the main points, the calculation and example through screen sharing portions. Yes friends, as you know, RCM products are 100% beneficial for health, natural, pure and made in India. And hence, the acceptance of products are undoubtful. And this is product-based company. And you know, there are three categories of associate buyers in RCM business. Category 1 includes only product user, not interested for income, business or networks. Number 2 category includes the associate buyers, those who are focused on retail margin and commission only, not interested for income, business or networks. And high and secured income, that is retailer group, that is seller of product. The third category includes networkers, those who build networks and works for area of high and secured income, that is visionary leaders. The most exciting breaking news for all types of RCM associate buyers for the provisions of attractive benefits through updated marketing plan. Very many thanks to all core leaders, respected T.C.Chhabra ji, for introduction of a real consistent growth plan. Now let's check in the benefits of updated marketing plan in comparison with the old one. For example number 1, suppose monthly 100 PV purchaser as per old plan, 10% of 100 PV, that is 10 rupees for 6 months, total 60 rupees. As per new plan, after 6 months he will get 600 PV into 12%, that is 72 rupees product free. Here the product is important for this user. See the benefit. See the comparison of benefits. Now let's take another example number 2. Monthly 500 PV product user. As per old plan, monthly commission 500 into 10%, that is 50 rupees by 6 months. Only 300 rupees commission bank transfer will be made after 6 months. Yes, according to new plan, 500 PV into 6 months, total PV 3000 into 12% is equal to 360 rupees product, absolutely free. Absolutely free. Here the buyer also focused on product because he needs product after 6 months also. Therefore, the free product more beneficial for this buyer. Let's take another example of Diamond Club. That is monthly purchase of 5000 PV. As per old plan, 600 rupees monthly commission. By 6 months, 3600. But as per new plan, 5000 into 2%, that is 100 rupees commission per month. By 6 months, 600 rupees. Additionally, he will enjoy 5,000 to 10,000 product free. From Double Dhamal product free from Kisol, NutriCharge and Gamma Original. So far, I discussed the benefits of product of self-purchase only. Those who have no team, no business, no network, etc. Only purchaser enjoys so many benefits, as I said. Not only the above benefits, the higher purchase, the higher benefit. For example, those who purchase 10,000 PV per month, as per Consistancy plan, cash award from RCM 3,000 and from NutriCharge 5,000, that is total 8,000 cash award will be given to him. For 25,000 PV per month purchaser, he will get cash award from RCM 12,500 plus NutriCharge 12,500, that is total benefit of 25,000 cash award. Think it. For 50,000 purchaser per month, after 6 months of regular purchase, he will get cash award from RCM 30,000 and from NutriCharge he will get cash award 30,000. Total 60,000 cash award will be given to him. Think it. The higher purchase, the higher benefits. Friends, not only that, due to new plan, there is an exciting lifelong benefit for all types of buyers. That is purchaser club bonus of 10% of every month while the purchaser crosses the 50,000 PV. Very exciting and consistency benefit in the new plan. Can you think? Can you imagine? Not only that, the most attractive benefits of this new plan, of our old plan, will enjoy the third category of associate buyer. That is those who covers the business of opener. That is total business 70,000 and B team minimum 20,000. The vital growth leadership bonus will be given. Very exciting bonus. That is opener, eagle, runner, winner and star. These categories will enjoy the 1% of company turnover monthly and 1% yearly as vital growth leadership bonus. Growth point wise will be distributed amongst them. See the points beside pin levels. Royalty leadership bonus 1% from company turnover, that is all India turnover, will be distributed monthly and 1% will be distributed yearly. These bonus will be distributed point wise as shown beside gold, star gold, platinum and star platinum level. And now technical leadership bonus. Here 0.5% of company turnover, all India turnover, monthly will be distributed and 0.5% of company turnover will be distributed yearly amongst the pearl, star pearl, emerald and star emerald, point wise as shown beside the pin level. Senior technical leadership bonus 0.5% from company turnover, monthly will be distributed and 0.5% of company turnover will be distributed yearly. Level point wise as shown in the pin level, that is ruby, sapphire, star sapphire, and diamond. Actually, this plan bestows all attractive benefits to the consistent buyers and growth of business. Therefore, friends, focus on consistent purchase and growth only. For more and more details, please see the videos of Mahaguru b.c.Chhabra sir, Mukesh Kothari sir, Rakesh Sharma sir, and Vijay Birodhiya sir. Okay. And so friends, I tried to share about the benefits of an upgraded marketing plan so far. Actually, it is proved, and in real sense, this upgraded marketing plan is surely consistent a growth plan for every type of buyers, actually the regular buyers. Therefore, to avail the benefits of this upgraded marketing plan, we have to set another alarm to our Saflata ke alarm diary, that is to check the repurchase list of self and for the team as well. And by this, we can avail the manifold benefits of this upgraded marketing plan. Thank you so much for being with me. See you again. Namaskar. Jai RCM.